Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, and before I will explain everything, let me quickly set the grid lines, for example this one. I mean those lines here, I've applied it because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. Now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow, enter the settings here, tap on General, enter Other Settings, and tap on Restore Default Settings. Confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.